Here I have PANASONIC Eluga I3 and let me show you how to enable here portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon. Here you need to scroll down and tap on settings. From the following list, let's choose here more under wireless and network and select here Teletrigon portable hotspot. So here you can create the Wi-Fi hotspot by tapping the Wi-Fi hotspot and by using that switcher. Then you can configure the hotspot by tapping setup Wi-Fi hotspot, and here you can change network name, security type, password. Right now you are using the following one. You can also here select AP band if you would like to. So this is also option to change the maximum connections and reset OOB. If you change something, tap save. If not, choose cancel. Here you can also keep Wi-Fi hotspot for some time range. You can also here use, for example, the following information about connected users and blocked users. Here you've got the icon of the hotspot. If you would like to disable, let's use the switcher, and as you can see, the icon disappeared. So basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.